My dishwasher won't drain. What could be wrong with it?
The dishwasher drain might be plugged with food remains. That's more likely if you don't bother scraping pieces of food off before you put plates in the washer.
We usually do that in the sink. That's what garbage disposals are for.
If the garbage disposal valves aren't working right, the food from that thing could be blocking the drain that both the garbage disposal and dishwasher share.
I don't think they share a drain.
Sometimes they both share a drain under the sink, but you mistake the two pipes connecting it as two separate ones.
Stop trash-talking my diagnostic skills.
So check the diagnostic codes the dishwasher gives you. Maybe it thinks it isn't supposed to drain because it thinks it is in the middle of a cycle.
If it were a computer, I'd say reboot it.
Try turning it off and then turning it back on. That might get it to go.
Or it floods the unit that hasn't drained before flooding my floor.
Check for a button that specifically says to drain it. If so, try that.
And if that doesn't work?
Then there's a problem with the control panel, and you need to call in a repair guy.
I hope he's not worse than the plumber who fixed our sinks.
If you're lucky, the problem is just a kinked pipe under the dishwasher that won't let water drain from the unit.
I don't want to pay $100 for a new kinked pipe.
You might consider it worth the price to not have to disassemble the unit to get to the kinked hose, or clean out the rotted food that is trapped in it.
As long as the guy does not drain my budget cleaning the drain.